Hi students, this is Shankar. Welcome back to video classes. In the last video, we completed first three problems in exercise. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about the remaining problems. Now, let us start fourth problem. In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. See the figure. OA, OB, OC, OD are four different rays. The four rays forms four angles. Angle AOD is denoted by Z. Angle BOD is denoted by W. Angle BOC is denoted by X. Angle AOC is denoted by Y. The four angles forms one complete rotation. Start the solution. Given x plus y is equal to w plus z. This is equation number 1. We have to prove that AOB is a straight line. Now, one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. Since one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. See the figure. X plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degrees. Given condition x plus y is equal to w plus z. W plus z plus w plus z is equal to 360 degrees. W plus w 2w, z plus z 2z is equal to 360 degrees. 2 is a common factor of two terms. By using distributive property, 2 into w plus z is equal to 360 degrees. W plus z is equal to 360 degrees by 2. W plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Given condition x plus y is equal to w plus z. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. See the figure. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So, angle AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Also, the reflex of angle AOB is 180 degrees. Therefore, AOB is a straight line. This is the first problem. Next, fifth one. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between two rays OP and OR. We have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. See the figure. POQ is a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the straight line OP. POQ. So angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. And angle POR is equal to 90 degrees. Because POQ is a straight line. So angle POR and angle ROQ are linear pair of angles. Start the solution. Given POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, and angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. See the figure, angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees and also angle POR is equal to 90 degrees. Since OR is perpendicular to PQ, line PQ. From the figure, see the from figure, angle SOQ is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. This condition, angle SOQ is equal to angle ROS plus 90 degrees. Given condition, angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degrees. This is the equation 1. Again, see the figure. Angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS. Given the condition, angle POR is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle ROS is equal to angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees minus angle POS. This is the equation number 2. Observe the equation 1 and 2. The left hand sides are angles are same, so the right hand side parts are equal. There is no use for equating right side parts, so adding equation 1 and 2. Therefore, angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees minus angle POS. Plus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees cancelled. 2 angle ROS is equal to angle SOQ minus angle POS. Therefore, angle ROS is equal to half of angle SOQ minus angle POS. Next, sixth problem. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If a ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, we find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. See the figure. Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and xy is produced at a point P. Next, the ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. YQ is the angular bisector of the angle ZYP. Start the solution. Given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and YQ bisects the ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. See the figure, that is angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. These two angles are equal. This is the equation number 1. Since XYP is a straight line, see the figure, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degrees. Given condition, angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Therefore 64 degrees plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYQ is equal to 180 degrees, because angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP from equation 1. 64 degrees plus 2 into angle ZYQ is equal to 180 degrees. 2 into angle ZYQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. 2 into angle ZYQ is equal to 116 degrees. Angle ZYQ is equal to 116 degrees by 2, that is equal to 58 degrees. Therefore angle ZYQ is equal to 58 degrees. From equation 1, angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP is equal to 58 degrees. See the figure, angle XYQ, angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Therefore angle XYQ is equal to 64 degrees plus 58 degrees is equal to 122 degrees. Since one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. See the figure, angle QYP plus reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees. Angle QYP plus reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees. Substitute angle QYP is equal to 58 degrees. Plus reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus 58 degrees. Reflex of therefore the reflex angle of QYP is equal to 302 degrees. This is the first exercise. I will continue the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.